Kaya idon, masasabi natin na ang Pangulo lamang, ang kauna-unahang Pangulo na nagpapaimbestiga mismo ng mga maanumalyang flood control projects sa ilalim ng kanyang administrasyon.
Ghost projects involving construction of bridges in Camarines Norte. Itong mga engineer I mentioned, just for good measure, they are the same, do not condemn you. I give you the presumption of innocence, just like the congressman. It so happens that your name was cropped up during an investigation. Now, I would like to ask Secretary Villar to give me the list of all district engineers and the districts they are assigned all over the country. I will reorganize the assignments. Ikutin ko kayong lahat.
Clear Castro, abogada ka, pero ano sabi mo? Si BBM lang ang nagpa-imbestiga sa corruption. Si Marcos lang kauna-unahang nagpa-imbestiga para malaman yung anomalya. Bakakon!